Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a shot, see if I can't get number one, get this big limb out of the way. Blocking a lot of it right there. Yeah! Woo! All right. That worked pretty good. All right. Now, I'm going to trim her up a little bit. No more mistakes. People are going to see that is the gateway to the trail. So anyways, that's how it's done. So kind of funny, I get a little bit more nervous down here because of that big body of water. And that's where you got your snakes, your water snakes, and your copperheads, and your, sometimes some of the mean ones hang out right down there by the water. So hunt this area up here. So anyways, I'm watching, I'm careful, I'm gonna get this done. All right. Got that taken care of, so it is time to head back to the vehicle. I'd say that's a pretty good day. Pretty good day. Time I get back there, it'll be about 3 o'clock. Anybody ever watches the video and they see when I put my pack on? What you want to do is you always want your waist belt to be super tight, right at your hips, where your hip bone is, that bone that sticks out. Your waist belt should be right in the center, so your hip bone should be here and your waist belt should be there. That's the perfect pack. That's the perfect fit. And once you get that done, you know, you have a sternum strap. You put it on, but really your your shoulder straps, they can really be kind of loose because if you got a good backpack, the weight is carried on the hips. And then you can adjust it as you go along. If your hips start getting sore, you can zip it up and make your shoulders work a little bit harder. But that's the way you do it. So a pack should fit, a pack should fit so if I'm stepping over a log or something, it's not gonna go one side or the other. The heavy stuff in the middle, lighter stuff at the bottom, lighter stuff at the top, heavy stuff in the middle, right up your spine. That's a backpack. So anyway, I am going to check the time and make a beeline out of here. And no matter what though, I always trim on the way out, so I'll end up doing that. Anyway, that is the plan. Peace out, all you hikers of America. Here to tell you, God dang. The hike was 95 degrees. I don't know. I started at 5 a.m. Want to get out there early. Holy cow, you can take a day like this with no air moving. I honestly think that's about as rough as it gets right there. I'd much rather hike in cold weather. Holy cow. Hey. Man, oh man. Wow. Okay. But I got that section marked out. Go home and email the boss, let him know. Mark it on the map, figure out whenever I come out here next time. Woo! Hopefully it'll be a slight bit. Okay. Woo! Cool down. That was tough. I tell you what, hiking in heat like that is bad enough. Out here doing this work, trimming and stuff, it was a challenge. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Going to watch the forecast. Tell you honestly, I'd probably almost rather come out when it rains. Rather than to go back out in like 95 temperature like that. So anyways, I have got almost 2 o'clock. So went in at 5, come out at 2. So we got about 9 hours in. And like I said, I've cooled off now and getting ready to head back home. So another good day. Glad I got that section marked out. Won't be back throughout the 4th of July, and gonna try to make it maybe next week. So anyways, that's what I got going on. It was a good day. I enjoyed it. It's a challenge, but that keeps me in shape too. That's important. You can sit around and do nothing during this COVID-19 era, or you can get out and do things like this and make yourself useful. So I decided to go with the useful part. All right. Talk at you later. Okay, I thought I was going home, but decided to swing through the campground here and just see how many people were here. I can give you a little secret right here. I love the North Face campground, and like site number 1 is awesome. You've got total privacy, no neighbors close by. And now it's even look like, oh, I see, probably social distancing, I guess. They've shut down some of the sites. Huh, they got them marked off. Wow. Huh, that's interesting. Yeah. So that one there is open. And this one here looks like it's open. I don't know, maybe there's just something wrong with those sites. I don't know if you watch all of the tapes that I've made, but I talk about logging and the bathhouse, and right there is a bathhouse that was built from the money that they got from logging that section that I cleared. So very nice. It's top notch, got showers, bathroom. It's very, very nice. But anyways, Southern Indiana. Yeah, they got another one closed right there. Must be social distancing campsites, I guess. But this is a jewel. So you can bring your family here. If you have a canoe or a kayak, you can come. And they got a couple great lakes to fish at. They have campsites that you can walk back to, short distance, so it's kind of like a mini backpack trip. This campground is, you know, you'll see people here in the summertime, although I haven't seen a soul here yet. Of course, it is awful warm. It is awful warm outside, but normally like right here's a good site. That one right here up on the hill. You know, I'll come to this side here like in the wintertime, and all the leaves are gone and the vista is unbelievable, you know, and you can really hear the animals out in the woods. Got another one shut down. So anyways, this is the north face. It does have some sites that have electric now. It used to be all non-electric. It does have some sites, I think, starting right around here somewhere. So let me shift gears there. Uh-oh, got the big boy pulling out. Yeah. Now that would be your only problem camping right there, is that if somebody like that pulls next to you, because he's going to run your generator and stuff. Actually, that was not run my generator, run his generator, and that's almost that is obnoxious. So I try to stay away. I try to stay away from things like that. I don't know if you caught that right there, but that guy was blowing his horn. Man, you talk about somebody intense. Look, here's another one of those things. Jesus Christ! So much for tent camping, I guess, and whatever. Anyways, that guy was so intense, he's like blowing his air horns because he wants me to pull up. Alright, man. I hope you can relax some. You need it. You need to just chill out. You're in the wilderness. Anyways, that's it. Goodbye. You know, I am going to say one more thing. The more I think about it, that dude was ridiculous. Come on, blowing an air. You pull up because you don't know how to drive your big camper and park it straight. You're frustrated, so you start blowing an air horn. Dude, look, if you're gonna go camping, you know, try to chill. Try to get in there. Try to respect campers next to you. You know, there could have been fishermen there that, you know, got up same time I did, went out, fished, or taking a nap. They're gonna go back out this evening, and the dude's blowing his air horn. You say punk? Buddy, I'm calling you a punk in that thing. That was crazy. I hope you get your stuff together. That's what I'm saying. Alright, I'm done. I've entered, and I'm now chill. Adios. Okay, I'm going to do my final wrap up here, and I've got the map marked of the section that I completed. And just like to say, I feel like I should apologize to that camper I called a punk. You know, I'm sure he's got a lot of things going on, and that's what makes him so intense. So I guess my wish is that he can find happiness and contentment, and just kind of learn to chill and just relax a little bit. And so anyways, we'll go from there. Okay, so what I have here is on the map of the lake. I did this section right here, so cleared from the connection trail all the way back to Celina Lake, and this is Celina Lake right here. So in this area right here is where I cleared the entrance where it was blocked. So did that section right there on July 2nd, and then from there I had to backpack, and I was parked right here. So anyways, that concludes that part of it. I guess next time I might either do this section along the back of Celina Lake, and then I still got this giant section to go back Indian Lake and on around to this right here. So I'm definitely going to wait till the weather turns a little bit better on that. Also, I haven't been doing this. I'm kind of new with my channel, so I'm going to get it all together eventually. But if anybody's interested in looking at some more of my videos that I have posted, you can go to YouTube, and you can go to capital LAF space Film Fest. And I'm pretty sure if you go there, already I have probably 4 or 5 videos posted. Eventually, oh geez, I've got so much material I can put together. So this is going to be a slow process, and whenever I find time, I'll do it. So anyways, if you go there, you'll be able to pick up on this video and some others, and then some other cool things that I do. So anyway, that's what I got going. Like I said, I am not sure when I will head out again. I'm thinking maybe this coming week I'm going to try. And thing is, it doesn't get light till 5 a.m., so it doesn't do me any good to get there any sooner than that. And if this temperature holds, by noon it's already 95 degrees. So I'll just have to figure it out and go from there. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you next time.